In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit templates in Clickup. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer to the platform, navigating through templates can save you a ton of time and make project management a breeze. Let's dive in and take a closer look at how you can make the most out of Clickup templates. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Clickup website. This is the starting point for accessing all your projects and templates. Once the site loads, you'll notice the option to log in at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on Login. For a seamless login process, you can click on the Sign in with Google option. This method is particularly useful if you already have a Google account linked with ClickUp, ensuring a quick and streamlined login. After this, you'll be prompted to select your account. Choose the Google account that's linked with your ClickUp workspace, and you should be good to go. Now that you're logged in, let's get into the templates. In the main workspace area, you will see a set of icons or options. Look for the three dots, often representing more options or settings. Click on those dots to expand your choices. From the expanded menu, select Templates. With the Templates menu open, click on Browse Templates. This section allows you to explore and preview various templates available within ClickUp. Take your time to scroll through and identify a template that fits your current project or vision. Once you've settled on a template, click on it to bring up more details. For example, if you need a template for advertisements, find one and click on it. You'll have the option to use this template right away. Select Use Template and you'll then have the opportunity to rename it. This can be extremely beneficial for organization and clarity, especially when you're managing multiple projects. After you've renamed the template, click on Use Template again to finalize the selection. The template you just created will now be available. Click on it once more to start customizing it to your needs. Within your chosen template, you can edit tasks directly. Click on a task to modify it further. You can change the title of a task, allowing for clear differentiation or alignment with your specific project objectives. Additionally, there are several task details you can adjust, such as dates for setting deadlines, assignees for delegating tasks, and priority levels to manage workload. Don't forget to take advantage of the custom fields. These allow you to tailor the template to your specific needs even more closely. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated and edited templates in ClickUp. Remember, using templates can significantly enhance your efficiency and allow you to focus on what truly matters, executing your project successfully. Until next time, happy ClickUp templating.